Mm-hmm. Top green kite, so that's leather. Ordered that one. Mm-mm. Let's see. Maybe I don't need those. What size is that? Petite to medium. Champion. All right, let's keep looking. Wrangler. These are all Wrangler.
Okay, what do you got here? Did Paula put down already? She did. She bought some stuff. She bought an end table and some books.
She's got it all. Sorry about that. She needs $1.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Thanks for coming. I appreciate it.
You got such fun stuff.
Thank you.
Oh, that's not a spinny. That is not a spinny. All right. Those are candles. Inky, that one's burned. $10 if it wasn't burned, maybe.
Yeah, Mr. Powers,
All right.
whatever we have left, he'll just take it and bring this on.
Where's she gonna put it?
I'm kidding, Jan. I'm kidding.
Oh, I was gonna say he would too. Did Jimmy help
After
him
midnight.
this morning? He's got to go back. He's not gonna do it. He's going back to 3:30. Move that stuff. Yeah. Stuff it back in the yeah. See, we get rid of our stuff. I don't bring any of this in the house. You don't? No. You just donate it all.
Cute. The days are just packed. That's a cute book. A set of them.
And so all the people that work there are volunteers and they're really nice. So sometimes I bring some nice stuff down there. Sun, yeah, from running around.
Yeah, that's good that you don't have to bring it all back in.
No, not doing it.
I've been buying things, the kids call it my little playhouse. It's got air conditioning and stuff.
All right.
Nice.
That's some cute little. What in the world? What is that? What does it do?
Very, very nice. It's always fun.
I only see one of them. It's just a bug. I'm not sure. Is it a belt buckle? What is it? Oh, is that hot? It sure is hot. Right. That one. But I'm not quite sure. Oh, is he broken? I can't take him. It's broke. He's so cute. Definitely not for $3. Medium heavy duty plastic, $5. I think we got some good stuff right now. More broken stuff. Huh. A lot of planters. Broken. But let's keep looking around. It's a nice grail plate. Probably not. Oy. That's what's cute. What does that say? Drafted. I like that, but it's $5. Oh, too much. Are you negotiable at all? What in the world are those? Those are adorable. Oh, it's really cute. A fish pen. pen. Interesting. Boy, is it getting warm. I'm not going to complain, but it is warm. That's interesting. What are these? Yep. Let's see if she can do any better on this piece. I really like it. Doesn't look broken. Nice. Alright, we got another one I saw down the road. Had no idea. Alright, let's go down. Let's go down here. I think I got some fun stuff. What is this? Pretty. I don't know if it's something I want. This is cool. This is very cool. Interesting to screenshot it. And what is this for a dog? Oh my gosh. Cute. All right.